You wanna see my dirty room? Guys, there's like nothing. Like that's my room. I have a base station. There was a base station there. It's clean. I cleaned that before I streamed. Yeah. I don't know where it is. I'm digging for it. Yeah. Oh, found it. Ha ha! It was hiding from me. It was hiding from me. This is Cinder's flavor. I think she released this one like a few months ago. But I'm pretty sure it's like a tea, like a, is it pomegranate tea or like a, what is it? Pomegranate. It's very tea-like. I like it. You can tell like it's like if, because I drink a lot of tea, it definitely has like a black tea taste to it. I don't know how they do that in powder form. It's kind of crazy. I kind of want to try this warm. Dude, I'm like, isn't it kind of impressive like how knowledgeable I am on gamer subs? I know something about my flavors, thank you. I've done my research. Yeah, I think Cinder's is pretty good. It did have to grow on me a little bit, like most of the tea flavors did. But after having it a few times, I really like it. But it had a trial period with me. Thick boy, thank you for the subs. Yo, Rain, hi Mark. Oh, that smells good. It smells like something I again had before, like a candy from my childhood. Oh, I mean it's pomegranate tea, but also Loki. It reminds me of like the dipping. I don't know which flavor, but it was like a dipping dot thing or a dipping with a popsicle, a lollipop. You dipped it in, but it like crackled on your mouth. But it had a little crackle in your mouth. That's exactly how it smells. It's awakening childhood memories. Okay, let's mix it with mine. I think both of our flavors are kind of orange, so it works out. Dip. Yeah, dip and dup. Something like that. They smell similar. Yeah, it smells like Fun Dip. Like a popping Fun Dip. It's like even more apparent with mine, because mine is like candy-ish. Ooh, this might be good. Or it might be really bad. Let's see. Mmm. Mmm. Loki? Wait, this might. It might be good. Finally, a VTuber flavor that works with me. I'd mix these two. I honestly, I think that's kind of fire. I would mix them and drink them like that. PP juice and acid rain. Yummy! We're meant to be. I really like that one. Now you guys gotta try it and see how wrong I am. You guys own every gamer subs flavor, right? Alright, which